I'm Zip and Adeline, and welcome to my world. Guys, we're going to Hong Kong na. Dito na ako sa labas. Sasakay na akong kotse. This is day 1. Sasakay na ako. Ito ba ang likod? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I will go back later. Okay, nasa kotse na kami. Sobrang layo pa natin. Time check, it's 12:50. 12:50 na. Sobrang late na. Ang flight kasi namin ay 4. Dapat maaga. Maaga dapat. Pa-airport pa lang kami. Word ng camera ko. Okay guys, nasa airport na kami. Tapos na kami magbayad. Nagpipila na kami, pero sobrang haba. Ito yung pila, pero ayoko ipakita. Sobrang tagal pa, huli kasi kami. We are super huli. So, magda-drop na kami ng bag pagtapos ng pila. Balik ako mamaya. Back. Natapos na kami kumain sa lunch. The reason ang tagal ko ay kasi ang haba-haba ng pila. Kaya ako pumila 3 beses. Pareho sobrang haba. Kaya sobrang tagal ko. Kaya naghintay na ako matapos ako kumain dito sa lounge. Okay, so we're going to the boarding gate na. Okay, let's go. Guys, nasa airplane na kami. Upo na dito. So, pa-Hong Kong na kami. Let's go! Okay guys, so nakaalis na kami ng airplane. Kakaalis na kami. Nasa international airport ng Hong Kong na kami. So, we will go get our bags first. But before that, we need to go to immigration. Another pila, guys. To go first. Yes, there's the train. Oh no, we're gonna miss it. Let's go. Wait, we're going too far. We're going the opposite way, bro. We're going the wrong way. Hindi naabutan natin ang train. Hindi, hintay na tayo. We're here. I know because we're slowing down. Okay, nandito na kami sa labas. Nasa road na kami. Naghihintay na kami ng bus papunta sa aming Panda Hotel. So, naghihintay pa kami kasi 10:50. Time check, it's 10:30. So, matagal pa kasi yung 8:51 na bus ay 10:50. So, may mga 20 to 15 minutes pa kami na maghihintay. So, ayun na. Maghihintay na muna kami. Balik muna ako mamaya. Okay, nakagising na kami. Naligo na ako. So, time check, it's 8:21 a.m. It's 8:21. 8:21 na, papunta ka, magbe-breakfast muna kami, tapos magdi-Disneyland. Okay. Nag-ready pa kami. Konti na lang. Yan. Outfit check, Spider-Man na damit, tapos yung shoes, yung kahapon kong shoes. Kahapon pa to. Tapos socks ko Iron Man. Ito. We'll also use this later. Okay, nandito na kami sa ramp pababa. Tapos papunta sa ating kakainan. Okay, bababa na tayo. Ayun, ito na yung gate. Ito na ang gate. Guys, ang lamig! Malamig dito talaga. May garnipad! Pag ganun! Ay, mali. 21. Okay guys, finally nakarating na kami. 21. Nasa restaurant na kami guys. We're here na. Pero wala pang pagkain. Kaka-order pa lang namin. Nahanap kasi namin yung station, kaya bumaba agad kami. Tapos napapunta agad kami dito. Pero sobrang layo. Sobrang talaga. Naglalakad kami. Ang layo. Okay. May pagkain na kami. Dumating na. Ito yung akin. It's chicken. Chicken, ha? Chicken. Got it. We are now in Disneyland! Welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland! Wait. Tama. Guys, nasa Disneyland na kami! Ang daming tao. Sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig, naka-jacket na ako, pero hindi pa rin kaya. Tinatalo ako ng lamig. Kaya so, maglalakad na kami papunta sa, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag, pero sa entrance, so let's go! Okay, we're going na. Ang daming tao. Naglalakad pa kami. Konting malayo ang entrance. So, lakad muna kami. Simula pa kanina siya. Okay, time check. It's almost 10:40. Lapit na. Lumating kami mga konting tanghali na. Kasi sobrang late namin nagising. Waterfall is here. Wow. Okay guys, ayun na ang waterfalls. Dito kami naghintay last time. Nung nag-Disneyland ako nung mga August last year. Okay, we're gonna pila na, going to the inside. I think we will use the card again, the octopus card. We bought the tickets from Klook actually. Okay, see you. I will be back. Bro, I take it back. Should I? I probably should. Okay, nasa ako na kami. Ayun yung castle. Okay, sobrang dami pa rin tao. Punta muna kami sa Ant-Man and the Wasp. Yung babaril ka ng mga something. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Meron tayong 5 minutes na wait time. So, mabilis lang naman. Hey guys, I'm carrying Saturn. First Iron Man, now this dude. It's the roof. Okay, tatapos na kami sa Ant-Man. Ang baba ng score ko. Ang baba ng score ko. Nakita ko si Doctor Strange kanina. Hindi ko napakita. Pero may picture. Nagpipila na kami sa sa Iron Man. Makakita natin siya. Siya talaga mismo yun. Okay, I will come back later. Pipila muna kami. I think this is the same one. Dada, you here?
請大家留喺元朗嘅食運香。恭喜大家已經通過安全檢查，可以入去。
Oh, great. Uh-oh. Great. I only have 1 hour.
Awesome. Oh, you're in it too? Alright, sure. It's cool.
It's the spider robot. You can't open this. You can't open this. Bro that's the Mark 85. I think that's the Mark 4. Mark 2. I don't know that dude. This is the picture. Guys, it's lunchtime. Dito kami kakain sa Avengers Decor restaurant. So, Avengers Decor siya. Let's go! Ito ang loob, guys. Guys, the hamburger is Spider-Man. Okay, we ordered na, guys. Pupunta na kami sa table namin. Okay, nandito ata yun somewhere. I ordered the chicken combo. Okay, dito yung mga pwede upuan. Guys, it's puno. It's puno. Kailangan namin maghanap bago mawalan. Ayun, guys, may nakita kami. Ito, guys. Yes.
Hi.
Hello, boys. We're in the Avenger restaurant.
It's called Star. What is it called nga? Starlight Line.
Starlight.
Restaurant.
Just waiting for the food.
What do you think does it taste like?
Like Hulk's radiation. Okay, I ordered some chicken and Doritos. I ordered chicken and Doritos. Bro ordered fries and the Green Hulk burger. But no rice. What do the chips taste like? Alright, guys, time for the taste test.
Okay, we'll eat.
It's a perfect 10 out of 10.
Hello, sir. Captain America. Nice to meet you. What's your name? name?
Zep.
Zeb, nice to meet you, Zeb. Now, are you Spider-Man or are you Venom?
I am both.
He's both. Alright, you gotta be a superhero then. Now, if you're Spider-Man, how would you pose? Oh, nice, buddy. Now, on the count of 3, I'm gonna say a symbol. I want you to hold that pose. Can you do that for me? Let's take one symbol. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. A symbol. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna do one more, buddy. I want you to bring your 2 fingers to it. Can you do that for me? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. A symbol. Nice. You definitely have what it takes to be a hero. Now, can I see some Spidey one more time? Oh, nice. Now, I'm gonna tell Spider-Man you're gonna take his spot. Okay? Can you get a high five, buddy? I'm gonna tell him. Alright, so see, this is what it takes to be a hero. Is that Spider-Man right there? Alright. Got to do one more high five? Alright. Take care, bud, okay? Alright, I'll see you soon.
Look at the merch. Look at the merch. No, there's bubbles. I don't like bubbles. Let's take a look at here. Oh, my eye. R.I.P. my eye. Next time. Oh, I don't know this guy. I don't know this guy. It's too big. It's too big. $160. Oh, maybe. I have so much money I can buy many. 160 also. I like the red one. I think we can change the size.
Yes, we're to fill up the whole ball. This is a ball.
Okay, so gusto ko sila mag-try ng turkey leg, kaya hinahanap na namin ngayon yung restaurant na may ganun. So, naglalakad na kami, papunta doon. Bibili na kami ng mga popcorn and ice cream. So, parang nandun lang yun lahat. Nandito lahat ng shops na may pagkain. Ada ano, gano'ng kalaki? Guys, ito na ang giant turkey! Okay guys, it's time to taste test the giant turkey. Can't eat it, it's too big. Game mo yung kata 7. Masyadong maganda. Ang laki kasi. Popcorn taste this. Okay guys, nandito muna kami sa Iron Man Expo Shop. So, bibili namin to, isa to. Madami pa kami bibilihin mamaya. So, siya yung basically yung spider robot sa pinapanood kong series. So, mayroon siyang remote. Pwede mo kasi siya paggalawin. Okay, so, balik ako mamaya. Maghanap muna ako ng iba pa namin bibilihin. Figure. Yan, mga figure. Yung mga animation na version. Meron din ganito yung nagsisquirt siya ng water. Okay, so, dito ko, sorry guys, dito ko to nakuha. Ito dapat ang bala ko, pero mas mahal kasi. Anong presyo niya? 170 kasi to. So, ito kasi ay 200 dapat to, pero nag 50% off kasi siya. So, mas mura pa siya dito, siguro. Mas mura pa ata siya dito. Kasi 50% off siya. Sa dati niyang 300 Hong Kong dollars. Ito bang iba, meron silang t-shirt. Tapos, itong yung parang ata nagsasquirt ng bubbles. Okay, meron din silang ganito, yung mga pin. Yung ganyan. Yung mga pin of some sort. Tapos, ito, may Iron Man mask at meron din silang gauntlet. Okay. Meron silang helmet at figure. Okay, so anong meron natin? Ito may kotse na remote control. Ito hammer ni Thor. Tapos, ito kay Captain America at kay Spider-Man. Tapos, shield ni Captain America, yung fist ni Hulk. Yung pula na Hulk. May pula na Hulk. Tapos yung t-shirt, merong Thor at Spider-Man. Sombrero, merong Iron Man and Spider-Man. Para sa iba pang t-shirt, merong Iron Man. Meron din ditong Infinity Stone bag. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Okay, there's more. Okay, there's the Black Panther figure. And I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. We have more Spider-Man. And Nano Droid Captain America. And I don't know, maybe others that, I would like. Okay, so, hindi na muna kami bibili ng anything else kasi ito muna. Punta kami sa ibang store. Marvel din. Pay muna to. Card.
And because this one is discount product, so no refund and no exchange.
I'm going to Ant-Man shop because we are already done with the Expo shop. Okay, so we're here now. It's right there. Oh, there's the challenge meets. I got you. Where's the prize? Can't see the prize. Well, let me try that.
This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we can throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from miles.
Did we go into all of them now?
No, it's dealer na.
Oh.
Are you going to buy anything pa?
May shop pa ba tayo namilis?
Wala naman.
Marvel?
Wala na.
Napunta na sila. Okay guys, so napunta na kami sa shopping. Naka-order kami ng 3 figures. Ay, pumunta lang kami sa Royal Banquet. Konting malayo pero dadating na ata tayo in a few minutes. Kaya mag-exit na kami ng Tomorrowland. Ayun si Saturn. Okay. Wow guys, ang ganda ng ilaw. Parang stripes. Stripes na maganda. Malapit na kami. Nandun lang siya ata. Malapit lang sa castle. Jacket muna ako. Okay. Hey, look at the castle guys! Ang ganda! Magkaka-show ata mamaya ng mga 9 to 10. Pero hindi na kami mag-show kasi pinanood na namin yung show dati nung galing kami dito nung August 2024. Sobrang tagal na nung hindi pa kami nag-Hong Kong. Matagal na. Tapos ngayon lang kami bumalik. Ngayon lang. Kahapon dumating kami 12 na. It's already morning. Okay, nasa Royal Banquet na kami. Ito yung pagkain. So, yan. Merong fries. Okay, tapos ito yung isa. May fries din. Kakain na kami! Okay, bubuksan na namin! Ay, bakit namin? Buksan ko na! Okay, so si Red Hawk muna. Ito siya, guys. Next is this. It's the new Captain America. Ganito siya, guys. Guys, ganito siya. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you. Bye-bye.